5 men were sucked into an underwater pipeline.
Someone help us!
Only one would survive.
Check the seal on this helmet. Seal looks good. Lines are looking good. Pressure is solid at 200. Computers are synced and ready.
We'll start operations at berth 5, then move directly to berth 6.
Copy that, Supervisor.
Beneath the surface lies a complex network. This U-shaped pipeline connects berth 5 to berth 6. It ensures a seamless...
Secure the bypass valve. Copy that.
Look out! Grab the structure! I can't hold it! I can't hold it! Hold on! Hold on to the rail! I can't hold on! Mayday! Grab on! I can't hold it! Hang on! We're sweeping! I can't see anything! Hold on! Grab onto something! Grab onto something! I can't see! Miller! I'm here! Jones, you there? Yeah, I'm here. Bill, where are we? We're at 12 meters, it's gotta be berth 5! No, the drift puts us closer to berth 6! The pipe markers say otherwise! Those markers are flooded out!
Somewhere inside this 1,200-foot line, time is running out. Glowing markers indicate their last known position.
We can't stay here. We must stop moving now. Let's find that exit.
It is too slick. Keep pushing, Jack.
I think my ribs are broken. I can't move my leg! The water's rising fast. We need to turn back. How much air is left?
We must stay calm.
We'll find the next air pocket. I am with you.
We have to go now. Breath deep.
Kazim, you still with me? Right behind you, Chris.
Checking the regulator now. There is still air in here.
Kazim, look at me. Stay with me. It's the only way, Kazim. I'll make it to the exit and bring help. Take it. I will wait for rescue.
Chris, you have to keep moving.
Wait. If this is berth 5, the plug will block us. There's not enough air in here. Help! Can anyone hear me? Hold on! I hear something! I am down here! You have to help him now! 4 divers are still alive. They are inside the pipeline.
Command, we are deploying divers now. Copy that, starting grid search. Everyone, maintain comms, let's go.
Copy that, standing by.
Listen. I hear them! They're tapping back! They're tapping back!
They are alive. Keep the rhythm going.
The dimensions just don't match our gear. It's too high risk.
If we send someone in there now, it's a zero visibility trap.
They are not coming for us. Ben, you still with me? We have to keep focusing.
Yeah, but it is getting really hard to breathe. I'm just so...
Can you hear anything?
They're coming for us.
Can anybody hear us? Please, did you hear that?
We need to access this breach point right here. The blueprint shows a bypass valve here. Can we get a team inside that section? Only if we lock it down.
Stay with us, just keep breathing. Shh. Listen, I think they're coming.
Please let him be okay.
Rescuers are still searching for survivors.
It is fading.
Please, does anyone know anything?
We have to cut off the flow here.
That risks a major breach.
It's our only choice.
Proceed with the launch sequence. Pressure levels are stabilizing on line 4. Maintain that pace very slowly now. Maintain that pace very slowly now.